Okay, let's have a look how to install Kubeflow on top of OpenShift using the Open Data Hub operator. So first we need to create a project called Kubeflow. And then we go to operators and installed operators, and I've already explained in my last video how to install the Open Data Hub operator. And then we need to scroll down here, and we see here there's a kfdev specifically for Kubeflow. So we just take this kfdev and just note this is running on top of Tekton as execution engine. If you don't want to use Tekton and you want to use Argo, you just need to swap those two. Okay, let's copy everything here, and then what we need to do is we scroll up again, say create instance, and in that YAML just paste the other one, the Kubeflow one, and just double check if here project name / namespace is Kubeflow, and also in the YAML we have Kubeflow here. Then the only thing we need to do is click on create, and after some time under workloads we should see the deployments and pods popping up. So as you can see, this is now happening. A lot of pods are in container creating and pending and running state, and also here you see the deployments, but just give it some time. It is quite a lot, it's a huge thing, so it will take some time until you have it ready, and then I can show you how to actually go to the UI of Kubeflow. Okay, if you now have a look at deployments in the Kubeflow namespace / project, we will see that the central dashboard is up and running, and basically everything here is up and running. You see also in the pod section everything is running just fine. It will take some time, so it's all self-healing and it should work. Just some hints if it doesn't work. Usually what you need to do is you need to click on the not running or the crashing or the error reporting pods. For example, let's consider this one, and then you go to logs, you check the logs, or you go to events and check the events. If that doesn't help, just one thing, you can also go to operators and you go to this operator here, and in that you also have events. And another thing what you can do is operator, where's that OpenShift operator, where's the project OpenShift operators? You can go to that one, and here you go to pods, and you see here there's an Open Data Hub operator, and that also an Open Data Hub operator pod, and that also has logs and events, so you can also check on those. So but in this case Kubeflow is installed and running, and the thing you need to know is that Kubeflow doesn't use Ingress, it uses Istio for networking. So what you need to do is actually to change to the Istio system project here, and then in the Istio project you can then click on networking and routes, and then here you have the route to Kubeflow. So here this is Kubeflow up and running, and yeah, I won't go into details of Kubeflow now. I can definitely do another video showing you around Kubeflow, but that's actually how you install Kubeflow on Open Data Hub on OpenShift or OKD. And by the way, if you want to get rid of installation, so if you want to get rid of Open Data Hub or Kubeflow, it's very easy. You just go to projects and you just select here, for example, Kubeflow, and then you say delete project now, and you have to just type in the name, and then it will change to stay terminating. Here you see, and then after a while everything is gone now. So it's a clean, let's say, the installation of Kubeflow. Or also if you want to get rid of Open Data Hub, here where's the Open Data Hub project, you could also say here just delete, and then you can recreate the project. Of course you need to wait until it's terminated and removed from that list, and then you can just recreate it and install from scratch. So that's much more easy than like rolling back installation and deleting ports and deployments and so on. Yeah, so you are sure everything is gone. Okay, all the best, take care, bye.